Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Minecraft and you keep getting this problem, fail to connect to the server with error, fail to log in, invalid session, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Minecraft easily. So this problem can occur due to a variety of issues and I'll show you multiple solutions of how you can fix it. The first one is the easy one. So the first one is very simple. You're just going to close out the Minecraft launcher and then relaunch it again and try to see if that fixes your issue. If it does, then you're good. But if it doesn't, then the next thing you can try to do is you're going to have to log out your account from your Minecraft launcher and then log back in. So just log out with your account, click log out on here. And once it's done logging out, then you're going to try to log back in and you can check if that fixes your issue. If it does, then you're good. But if it still doesn't, then the next thing you can try to do is you're going to have to put a DNS server on your internet. So the way you can do that is you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here view network connections. And then you're going to select your network connection here. If you're on an Ethernet connection, you should have Ethernet. And if you're in a wireless connection, you should have WLAN. So just right click on your network connection, click properties, go into Internet Protocol version 4, click properties again. Here you're going to click use the following DNS server addresses, write in here 1.1.1.1 and in the alternate DNS you're going to write 1.0.0.1 and then click OK. After that click OK again, and then what you're going to do is you're going to make sure to close out the Minecraft launcher and then start it back again and check if that fixes the issue. If it does, then good. But if it still doesn't, then I have a last solution for you. So the last solution is that your computer's local account and your Microsoft account in Minecraft needs to be the same account. So whatever account you have logged on your computer, you're going to have to make sure that it is the same account that's logged on onto Minecraft. So just make sure it's the same account. And once you do that, now when you try to play Minecraft, you'll see that your game will now work. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.